All right. All right, students. How are you all? I hope you all good. Actually, I was unable to do that. It is not able to happen in the morning. I was saying for you all, sorry for that because we cannot control the technical issues of the data. So whichever it was. So now I hope you all came to watch. So let's check whether clarity is good or not, and everything you need to check now. So if everything is good, then we will go to the class. Let me check back. Kindly welcome to the class, everyone. Welcome to your new class. So it is welcome to the session 2020 and 21 class 11th. And before going to our class actual session, so here first I invite from HC Bhakna Senior Secondary School. All students are welcome to the class. So right now only three are there. Who are those? Can you tell your names and what about remaining students? So if you are coming fastly so that we'll complete as early as possible. And today our class is on career options through mathematics. Still anyone is left, you just kindly come fast so that we will start our class. So let me check back was everything. Fastly come back. Fastly come to the class so that we can know. Only for who are those kindly coming here so that I can understand. I welcome you all, but I want to know your names. So type on the comment section so that I can understand who is present, who is not present, and which student was present. So I found only four students who are watching now. Who are those names? Is that Diarrhea present? And Kushi Pal is present? Is Nakul Gupta is present? Kindly check if you all are present. Okay, Dairi Agarwal is present. Good. So one student is present, and what about remaining? Daria, kindly inform to your all friends to come and join as early as possible so that we'll start our live class as early as possible to complete. Okay, can you help me? Okay, Sahil Goyal. Okay, so two members. Sahil is present. Daria is present. Yes, good afternoon, Sahil. And I want to know now what about Nakul Gupta and Kushi Paul? Only two students are present then. One is mine then. Kindly inform to your friends. Good afternoon. Inform to your friends so that let we start our live class so that you can understand what are the career opportunities after completing mathematics and why the mathematics is important for commerce students, especially for the commerce students. If you have friends of commerce students, you can welcome them so that we will start. Okay. Firstly, let me know about this all, then only we can start. Okay, five members. In that one is mine, so that four members. Remaining who came? I'll give for you 1 minute time. So, okay, 2 minutes time. You just kindly gather as early as possible your friends. And I hope clarity is also good now. So always usually I'll made videos through the YouTube only because there is a one benefit for you through YouTube. That is, once if my lecture was completed, it is going to be uploaded for you offline. Okay, it was not clear. Kindly tell to me, is it for everyone is clear video was there or not? Because according to me here, everything was clearly is there. You just kindly check. Diarrhea is it clearly is there? Is anything, any problem you are facing when you are watching this? Diarrhea and Sahil Goel. Sahil, did you find any problem? Is everything is clear? No blur? Voice is clear? Right. Because only this first day it maybe takes time because everyone need to come, because of that reason it takes time. But next class onwards, whether you come or not, you are coming lately also, we are going to start in time and the class is going to be end in time. Yes, okay. All right, now let we start our class. Okay, before going to career through mathematics, what do you know about mathematics? Mathematics is fun subject, or it is enjoyable subject, or it is difficult, depression giving subject, or what you are thinking? Let me know first. I hope so. Whoever took mathematics, those students always feel like mathematics is a great subject. Yes, I agree that mathematics is a great subject. What happened? No, sir. What is no, sir? I can't. Okay, you're not thinking mathematics. Okay, all right. So here, especially this is mainly important for even for the commerce students who took mathematics, but actually who are taking the commerce as a subject, that students need to take mathematics because it is going to help you more and more in CA, CPT, and some other whichever the entrance exams are there. For all entrance examinations mathematics required, especially for CA, and those are there are some courses was there, and that courses again, if you are not done mathematics, what is problem it is, again you have to go for the coaching centers. There again you have to spend your lots of money for the coaching, then you have to write the examination. Not only that, when you are analyzing a files and when you are doing all the financial planning and those all, so this mathematics and statistics is very important. So in mathematics, statistics is a separate branch, and that is very very important for you all. So that's what it was very important. Okay, all right. Before going to our class, so we always start with the prayer. So you don't know any prayer, I know that. Just close your eyes, and who are means who are the Bafna, who the students who studied in Bafna school, those students know about the prayer. So anyhow, just close your eyes. I will pray. Then thank you, God. You can say. Then we will start our class. God, kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. This prayer you have to write, and every day we have to pray that. Okay? Right. So now, this class only for the mathematics as a career option. So, what are the options if you take PCM? That is physics, chemistry, math, under one. Next one, commerce and math. Okay. So if you take commerce students as a math, then what are their benefits and what the PCM students? So first I'll explain about the PCM students. So if you take mathematics as a subject and if you are studied very nicely, so you have the opportunity from National Defense Academy, that is called your NDA. NDA is nothing but National Defense Academy. There, Army, Navy, and Air Force. In all the places, you will get direct recruitment after your 12th. If your height and weight was proper suit, it is suited for the job, and immediately they are going to take without any test, and those are it is just physical test will be that time. So that notifications you will find in employment news. So after completion of good percentage in PCM, you are going to get Army, Navy, Air Force jobs. Okay, that is a directly you are going to get some assistant jobs. And next one, so you just in the film and television industry place. If some students may think that, sir, I want to be a filmmaker and I want to do some cinematography. I want to do and television place. So in film and television place, how to manage all the things. So for that purpose, you can study mathematics. So that is, if you take the PCM, you are able to do film and television diploma. Once if you done that diploma, you are able to work in all the television industry or maybe the movie industry. So whichever the industry you choose, you can go for it. So then if you go for BR means it is Bachelor in Architecture, Archaeology. So if you want to do in this archaeology, some bachelor if you want to do, and that is nothing but if you want to research something beyond the academics. So you already know that history in all the history places. So in this civilization and those are civilizations, how you get to know that those all is happened. So it is through the investigation. That is when you do the VR. If you do the VR, you can do diploma in interior and landscape designs. This was different. And beyond after MArch is the master in archaeology. If you do that, you are going to research about all the things. So especially for example, I may give. See, this was. Uh, Let me take. Okay, this is a pencil, right? So, what is the age of this pencil? When it was manufactured, and these all things, if you want to know, if you are not having any clue, also you want to it. So, this archaeological thing was very important. Okay, so if you are interested in the archaeology, you need to take PCM. Same method, Bachelor of Planning and Design. So, if you want to plan for the building, if you want to plan for the roads, if you want to plan for something else, whichever it is, some planning requirements, you should know the mathematics, and that people only going to give more priority. That was the reason you are finding in math in that bank examinations, bank POs, that is probationary officers and managers and all people, maximum people are mathematics graduates only. The reason behind that, only they feel like mathematics students only able to think analytically, logically, reasoning also they are able to do, so that they can estimate what are the risks will happen and what to how to avoid those all things. So such kind of things, that's what I said. Life is full of problems. There was one student asked me one day, he brought one mathematics textbook and he showed that, sir, this is full of problems. How can I solve? So what can I say for that? He brought mathematics textbook. It is mathematics. So that he said to me that, sir, this is full of problems. How can we solve? So then I was said to him, if you are learned how to solve that full of problems of mathematics, then you are able to solve your daily life problems. So if you want to solve your daily life problems through your analytical skills and then all the skills. So if you want problem solving skills, you must take the mathematics. Otherwise, it is not possible to get any skills, such kind of skills. It is not possible. you know that whenever floods are happening, there was some groups they will go and they are going to save the people, and how you get to know that that places are going to affect and only that people are going to be evacuated. So those are the meteorology department people who are working in that place. Those people are giving the plan and they were estimating so how much area is going to be affected. So such kind of estimation, such kind of things, and that's what I need to say. The famous or great people, whoever in the world. So I'm going to share to you in the next after completion of this session 20 20 scientists who was changed the whole life of the world. That persons are started with the mathematics and all the 20 scientists. So mathematics as a language God used to create the universe. So universe only created by the mathematics, and we should love the mathematics and we should be proud to take the mathematics. Okay. All right. Here, main important thing it was, so for planning and design, we have to take the PCM. So to tell that, I went through those all things. That's what I want to tell for you. God also planned. Why this Galileo said that? Why he said that God is used mathematical language to write the universe. He said why he said it is. You just kindly understand. Okay, Dhruv Vaishnav, okay, you're present. Very good. So anyhow, we welcome you. So anyhow, now listen, it is in the mid of that. So why he choose in that way? Why that language was written? You observe that. So in the ellipse play, the shape of ellipse, our all planets will revolve towards the sun, and each and everything was exact some distance place only it was. It is more distance happened problem, less distance also happened problem, and even our earth also it was rotating, right? So it is in exact place so that the life is came into the world. So that exact place, exact point, exact distance, why it is so happened? God is such a careful person to take care of the human beings. Because of that reason, in the creation, he was created everything in a great manner. So what I want to tell from this it is God is used mathematics. Such kind of planner and designers are there. So those people always going to be the mathematics persons. Okay, so I'll appreciate that you all took the mathematics as a subject. Okay, now the next option, what are the possibilities are there? So you can take BE or BTech. So BTech means Bachelor in Technology and BE means Bachelor of Engineering. Okay, so you can do anyone, but nowadays many people are going for the BTech because we are going for the technology. So Bachelor in Technology we are going to do. So for that, like ECE, Triple E, Mechanical, and then Civil, Agricultural Engineering, Biotechnology, whichever it was, even this all the pharma companies which was there, every engineering, dairy engineering also now it was there, not dairy engineering. Okay, dairy technology was there. So in the dairy engineering, that also if you want to do, you should take PCM. So that means for all engineering branches, you have to take the PCM, then only you are able to do that engineering work. So anyhow, and some of the government areas where you are going to be worked and what kind of the exams you have to write, that also we will see to it now. Anyhow, for engineering, what are there are various options are there to get the seat in engineering. The first one it is AIEEE you can write, or you may write IIT JEE you can write. So advanced is there, and IIT JEE course is there. Both you have to write. So IIT JEE is very important for you all to get uh, seat in good college. And second one, you have to go for AIEEE. If that is also missed, their state is going to conduct. For example, now we are in Rajasthan, so that Rajasthan is going to conduct one exam for engineering entrance. So that entrance exam you have to clear and you can get the seat automatically. It was very easiest examinations nowadays. Okay, so and even for IIT JEE planning, I'm going to help you all. And every chapter there are level 1, level 2, level 3. I'm going to give for you all. All right. Okay. So I hope you all able to view, you are able to find me because mine it was struck the now. All right. So I hope you all understanding because now I'm not going to get your comments. Later I will check your comments and then I'll find and I'll tell to you each and everything. I'll give answer for you all. So once I'll complete whichever the opportunities are there, those all I'll complete. Later I'm going to call you separately one by one. Then I will tell to you if you have any doubts that will be going to be clarified. Okay, or you can comment so that I will give it to you the links and everything for you. Okay. So next one. So in this government jobs, how to get after completion of your engineering, you go for IES. That is Indian Engineering Services. So if you write that, you may get job in the railways or public sector companies just like Genco and BSNL, such kind of company places you are going to get job. Not only that, even petrol institutes that HP and ESIL, ECIL, so that these kind of places you are going to get the jobs. And next, if you do merchant navy after the your BE, then you are going to become as a marine engineer. Okay, if you have dream as a marine engineer, you just complete first take the PCM, then complete the BE, then you go for merchant navy, then you go for marine engineer. Okay, then you can do BE after ME also. Then you are going to be a engineer or you are going to be a professor. So professor place there will be associate professor and then assistant professor, whichever the professor you are first beginning associate, then assistant, then you are going to be professor. Okay. So all right, so that you are going to get, and if you are going for MBA, Master in Business Administration, that also you can. And here one more thing I want to inform to you that, especially for the commerce students, if you take mathematics, then only you are going to get admission in BBA, Business Administration, Business Broadcast Administration. Okay, so in the BBA channels and such kind of places, if you want to work, you should know the mathematics very well. So because there in the BBA course, they were given that without mathematics they were not going to give admission. If anyone is going to do BBA, then you have to do this. And so you have to take PCM, then you have to do that. Okay, next MPSC and UPSC. MPSC it is conducted by the state government and UPSC it is a central government. Then once if you write these two examinations, you are going to get IAS cadre jobs. So Indian Administrative Services place you are going to be entered. Okay. Next, if you do MS after completion of this your BRB take after completion of that, if you do MS from the from any foreign university, your life is going to be fruitful. And next, then if I do PCM, what is another important one is that you want to get admission in the engineering diploma, you will get direct second year diploma engineering. So that means engineering diploma place second year you are going to get admission directly, no first year, directly to the second year. And then next, if you do the BSc, so once if you do the BSc, nowadays there are many opportunities are there, then you need to complete after BSc, complete JOM. There is one exam JOM, that is just joint admission test. Okay, so if you write the JOM exam, so you have opportunities to enter in IITs, IASCs, or NITs. Once if you hold a degree of IIT, IAC, NITs, there are opportunities for you, many more opportunities to become a mathematics scientist in ISRO. Okay, because I went through this through the JAM exam, but I was not went to BSc. I was went with the BTech and JAM, and I was previously was selected for that scientist one, and later it was because of my some personal issues I was resigned. Okay, that's it. So that is about it. Here, understand here clearly, everyone. If you want to become as a mathematics scientist or you want to become as a data analyzer, you have to take the PCM. And nowadays, not only this, there are many other opportunities also came now. So those opportunities are very important to know by you all. So you may become as a data analyst. So that was one of the thing. And even space technologies, if you want to study, you need to learn the mathematics. Without mathematics degree, you could not able to study the space. So you already know that what I was saying. So if you want to work in NASA or ISRO or maybe any other company who is investigating about the space, if you want to work with the space technologies, you have to be a mathematics graduate. Okay, not only that, even robotic technologies or many technologies nowadays. So for each and every technology, mathematics is required for you. That much important is that. Example, I may say, how many eyes you have? You may say that, sir, two. Two is mathematics. So mathematics is that much combined with us in our life. So mathematics is way of life, and you have to live. And if you learn the mathematics, you are going to get analytical skills, and there are many skills. The problem solving skills you are going to get, and you are going to get your thoughts will, you know, the improvements in the thoughts. That means we can say that the speed and accuracy is going to be improved. So, at last, especially for the commerce students, I can say to you all that kindly take math and commerce. That will help you in the future to stop it, to stop to pay more and more money to the coaching centers to prepare CA. If you want to prepare for CA examination and such kind of things, CMA, CA, you need to take mathematics so that it is going to be very easy for you. Okay, that's all about your mathematics one, and still many are there. So I took only some which are important one, which the students are nowadays want. That kind only I was took, and you can uh, there are not only this, there are vast scope is there if you take the mathematics. All right, so that is about your mathematics, and now let's move on to the our class 11 class 11 mathematics now. And anyhow, do you have any doubts in this mathematics career one? So career through mathematics, if you have any doubts and if you have any queries, sir, if I take this mathematics, what will happen? If for example you choose already one profession by your own and you have some dream and you want to achieve that dream, so what I need to take? If you have such kind of questions, you just directly contact me through that WhatsApp number, which was our group was created, right? So in that group, you can send me messages so that I can tell to you what you need to do. Okay, so that is about that. And now we'll go to our class 11 mathematics. Otherwise, our class 11 mathematics, we are going to discuss tomorrow is better. So that's all about mathematics, career through mathematics. So, and still, if anyone having the queries, you can comment and I'll answer to your comments through the WhatsApp or maybe through this. I think live ended means your comments. I will see only your comments, but I could not able to reply, so that I'll reply for your comments through the WhatsApp. Okay. May God bless you all. Enough. I think today it is enough for you all. And may God bless you all.